So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to check your recent activity on your Android phone or your Samsung phone. So for you to do this, just go to your phone setting. Once you're in your setting like this, so come over to where you have this search button. Then right here, you search for data and privacy. So let's search for data and privacy. So you can see it right here. So just click on the first one you're seeing right here. So once you click on the first one, which is data and privacy, then this will load up for you. So just choose the email that you're using. So I'll click one of my email right here. So once I click on this, then this gets to load up for us. So right here, just scroll down till you find my activity. Can you see my activity right here? So tap on my activity. Once you tap on this, by the way, if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So right here we're already on my activity. So just scroll down and you get to see all the activities you have done in the past, or what you've done in the past. Peradventure you gave someone your phone and they went ahead to check some of your things without your consent or without you knowing. You can come here and see all what they did in your absence. So can you see we have Zenda, screen recorder, Google Play. Can you see these are all the activities, and the time which they were accessed are all written right here. And that is basically how you go about checking recent activities on your phone. So if you got value, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.